What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, obviously you can see I'm back at the home office today. I'm just gonna get this video knocked out and we'll be heading over to the shop to get the Bronco frame knocked out, get that pressure washed before we get it over to sandblasting. Anyways, what we're gonna be going over today is how to set up your logo for a web, or for obviously your websites, marketing, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get into the computer, get on my screen share, and get this all going for you guys. But I really hope you guys enjoy the content, especially with the business side of this. How we get our logos, how we get our websites, stuff like that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, we're back on the computer, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on how we do our logos for the different businesses that we have going on right now. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. So let's go ahead and open up our Internet Explorer. Oh, sorry, I use Chrome, Google Chrome, and we're just going to hop into Fiverr.com, and I'll make sure I put the links below, you guys. So as far as the logos go, if you guys have not used Fiverr.com, I highly recommend it. You can do it for anything, t-shirt designs, website designs, stuff like that. But yeah, you guys can click the link below to get going with that. So let's go ahead and just type in logo design. So when you type this in, you guys, this is like Amazon for business, like business services, marketing, stuff like that, YouTube videos. We actually edit all of our videos here. Obviously I've showed you guys how to do that in our last video, but this literally is like Amazon for services that you need for your business. So Fiverr.com was created as a $5 service. And obviously you can see these are more your premier companies. It's definitely gotten more expensive as time goes, or as time has gone on. But it started off as a $5 service. You can see, I will design, edit, modify, redraw logo for $10. So I've always used different ones. I've never used the same one. Like if you wanted to do 3D logo design, so obviously you see all these 3D different, what's the word I'm looking for? Freelancers. These guys are all freelancers. So each one of these people on here are, they're different people, different services, stuff like that. But this is one that does all 3D logos. And you can see over here, it is $5. You can click on a basic, standard, premium, and most of these freelancers have 3 different packages. With this basic one, you'll get one design that's 3D, JPEG, PNG, along with a beautiful 3D mock-up. You go over to standard, you get 2 designs, and with the premium you get 3 designs. So it's pretty much just it's whatever one you want to pick. So obviously you would click continue, purchase. You put your credit card or PayPal in, and they send you 3 proofs. And when they do that, you're able to, pick a design that, it's going to best work for your business and your marketing, stuff like that. But when you are done, you want to make sure that you do ask them for a PNG file. A lot of times, if you click the basic, a lot of times that PNG file is not available. This is actually an awesome price for the different file settings. So you can see, let me go into let's go into logo. So when we did MBI, these are all the different ones that popped up. And let me see if I can, so you can see one company, did all these different renderings for us, and obviously we ended with our final, which is this. And they can design stuff like this. But yeah, you want to make sure that they give you a PNG file, which is a transparent logo. So when you click on this, what I mean by that, if you guys don't know what the transparent means, is a lot of times they'll send you just a white background. But if I was to send this over to a t-shirt designer or a web developer, this logo actually you'll see the background within the logo. So kind of like, let me open this up. So kind of like this. We used another Fiverr designer to do the background on this, but this was a transparent white logo, which is right here. So I'll open it up. So you can see it's just a white background, but it's all transparent, which is what we use to send this over to the freelancer, which created this background for us. So yeah, you guys just want to make sure when you guys do design your logos that it's gonna be something eye-catching. You want to have 2 to 3 different colors, and just keep that in mind when you guys do print. If you're gonna do like silkscreen t-shirts, the more colors you have, the more expensive that print's gonna be. Now there's a lot of digitized or digital printing that can actually print a lot of different colors. Let's see if I can see one. Let's go back to marketing. So you can see with our latest design, this is a digital printed t-shirt that we had done. You guys probably saw that in a couple of our videos where we what's the word I'm looking for? Revealed our newest shirts, which is right here. Obviously these are the girls' t-shirts, but these are all digital printed shirts, not screen printed. If we were to screen print these, it would be crazy expensive. So that's where the digitalized shirts come in, and I'll show you guys in another video how to get the t-shirts and stuff all set up for dirt cheap, shipped to your house in like 2 days. So make sure you stay tuned for those, and if you guys haven't hit the subscribe button, please do, and the notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with what we got going on when it comes to how we upload our designs to a t-shirt company, what t-shirt companies we use. We definitely don't use just one. I like to play around with different things, see which ones work the best with the best price. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. As far as just a quick weekly, I try to send out these weekly videos on the business aspect side of how to get something like this started. If you guys wanted to go this route, I don't want to just have this channel to be all about automotive videos and how-to stuff, when it comes to working on cars and the Broncos and shop stuff. This type of stuff, again, the business side is, that's the important part for me, is to be able to teach you guys, show you guys what took me years to be able to accomplish in just a few minutes. I think we're about, just under 10 minutes long on this video, but, I just wish I knew this type of stuff when I first started, and to be able to just go and use Fiverr.com as a reference point for a startup for your guys' businesses for $5. I mean, this is really, it's $5, and you got a processing fee. I think it's like $2, so it's like a total of $7, and then you can leave a tip if you want at the end. So yeah, and if you do click this continue, you can also add other things, vector files. You can do a super fast delivery, and this really is super fast. They say 8 hours, but I've never had one of these freelancers send something under 4 hours. Over the 8 hour period. Normally it's about 4 to 6 hours they usually deliver it. So for an extra $20, it's not, it definitely helps these freelancers out too. So I love using Fiverr.com. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and how to get a logo started. And obviously you guys can hire somebody local. I've had plenty of logo designs in the past where I've paid $300 to $500 for one logo, and you can see $5, and well, here you go, $7.25. So obviously you got a service fee that you have to pay Fiverr, but for under $10, you guys can have beautiful and awesome looking logos for your new business. So yeah, I'm gonna get back over and do this outro, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was quick, simple, easy, but that's really how easy it is to get a custom professional 3D logo for under $10. So we're gonna make sure we get that put in the right playlist so you guys can keep track on, you know, how we edit our videos, how we get our websites, how we get our logos, stuff like that. You know, we're gonna be adding a new video like this every week, so you guys can stay up to date with how to get your business up and going for a very low cost. So again, it's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.